everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Lou, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. If you like what you see, please feel free to press the subscribe button that's down below, and also the bell notification so you guys are notified every time that I post a new video. As you guys can tell by this title, today we're going to be doing a hair straightening video. I do make custom wigs, so I always get a lot of like questions on like, oh, how do I get my hair so bone straight and stuff like that, how to keep it bone straight and all that extra stuff. So I decided to just make a video about it and stuff like that. So yeah, that's what the video is going to be about. If you guys want to watch that video, continue watching, or if you just want to see me talk, continue watching too. But yeah, I recently just recorded a video on this makeup look, so if you guys are interested in this makeup look, I'm probably gonna upload it before or after this video, honestly, whichever way that I decide to put it. And sorry if I keep looking up because I'm looking at the viewfinder. I'm trying not to, but it's kind of hard not to look at the viewfinder. But basically, a few things that you are gonna need, not that much. What you're gonna need is, of course, you're gonna need a rat tail comb. Mine's is pretty freaking dirty, as you guys can see. My shit is mad dirty, but that's because I use it a lot. So you're gonna need a rat tail comb. It doesn't necessarily have to be this one specifically, but I would prefer this. And of course, you're gonna need a flat iron. Why I say it like that, flat iron? You're gonna need a flat iron. And this one that I've been using is the ceramic tourmaline red. This is, are you gonna focus? This is how it looks like. It's like a titanium ceramic plate. And that's been lasting me for a while, and I got it from the beauty supply store, and it wasn't that much. I think it was like 25 bucks. And of course, you're gonna need a, I don't know if this has a specific name. Yeah, it does. The golden hot flat iron, hot comb. I went through a lot of hot combs before, but so far this one is the one that been working the best. It does take a while to heat up if you guys do happen to get this specific flat iron. It was 25 bucks, but so far it's been doing pretty good. You just got to give it some time to heat up to its full capacity, but besides that, that shit is hot. But I really recommend, if you are wearing like straight hair, or honestly if you are even an overall wig wearer, I would highly suggest you have a hot comb because that shit is necessary. And also, this is kind of not all the way necessary, but also you should have a what is it called, a wax stick, a hair wax stick. And if you don't have a wax stick, you can honestly just use gots to be hairspray or the hairspray in general for your top of your hair. Now about this hair is about like a whole, I think it's over a year old. This hair is from my company. It's, all the information will be in the description bar down below, and I have the name here if you guys are interested to check it out. But I do make custom units, and this is just one of the units. This is called the Pocahontas unit, and it's just basically a straight wig. And this does have the 5x5 closure. Since I did have this wig for about since I did have this hair for about over a year, I did change out the closure, and yeah, I changed out the closure, and I did make it jet black. So yeah, that's why it looks like that. So I colored it jet black, and I used a 5x5 closure to make this unit. This is a glueless, as you guys can see, like I can lift this shit up. It's a glueless unit. I do take this on and off. I don't go to sleep with it. I literally take it off and put it on my mannequin head. And if I don't put it on my mannequin head, honestly just stick it on top of my dresser that's back there. So yeah, so that's also one tip to, if you do want your hair to stay straight, because honestly this hair it's been looking like this for about 2 weeks now, and I haven't touched it up at all to you know, flat iron anything. I honestly just been using the paddle brush to brush it, and that's about it. So I would highly suggest to get like a, not even a yeah, a closure wig, because a closure wig is pretty more easier to handle and stuff like that. And I really haven't been into the frontal look lately, but anyways, but first thing I am gonna say, when you do want to achieve that flat look, like, you know, look to your hair, I would highly suggest, I did used to use BioSilk. You can still use BioSilk, but now I basically opt out to not even using any type of oil to my hair when I am flat ironing hair, these type of hair. And that's just because I don't like the feel of it. Even though the BioSilk or the there's this other one, the Chi, is very lightweight. I just still feel like it has some type of residue that's still inside the hair. So I'd highly suggest you guys just don't use that at all. So without you guys not using those products, I would highly suggest before you flat iron your hair, to make sure you guys give it a deep clean. I use any type of conditioner, but honestly I would suggest silicone mix conditioner, and you just put it in there. And me, I do this weird thing where I take it and I put it inside the microwave, and I just let it sit in the heat for a while. And when I tell you guys, and then after you do that for a few hours, sometimes I leave it overnight, and I rinse it out the next day and I let it air dry. The key honestly is to let it air dry, because you leaving your units air dry, it gives you the best, like, I don't know, it's just something about leaving your hair air dried. It just makes everything better. So I would highly suggest you air dry it. And after you finish air drying it, if you are making your hair straight, sometimes I blow dry. It's not really necessary, but I blow dry the hair. I don't have the comb. You know how people have the comb to like blow dry it? I don't have that, so I most of the time don't really air dry it. But if you guys want the most flattest look, I would say to air dry it. But yeah, so first what I do is, because the top is very important, and it all starts with you having a good unit. If your wig isn't overall flat, it's basically gonna be a shitty wig. But first I do take my wax stick, and you can get these wax stick anywhere, honestly. This one I just got from where did I get this from? I kind of forgot. I think a company sent this to me. But you just take your wax stick. You can get wax stick from your local beauty supply store, or a lot of hair companies sell wax sticks. So, but yeah, after I do that, I take my hot comb. Like, as you guys can see, this junk is like, can you guys see? It's literally like, there's like steam coming out, so you know it's really hot. And first what I like to do is just literally just lay the top of my hair down before I do anything. Now this part is just very important, because it just gives your hair that sleek look, like you just came out of the salon, even though you really didn't. What I really hate is a girl walking around with a humpy ass closure or frontal. Like, that bugs the living life out of me. But basically you just do this. You guys see the difference? Like, you guys see how just flat that looks? So make sure, if you're a wig wearer, make sure you guys have your hot combs. I'm trying not to talk at this part because I'm not trying to burn myself, so. All right. Now after I do that, I split my hair in sections. Since my hair isn't all the way puffy and stuff like that, so it's not that necessary for me to, you know, do it layer by layer. But if your hair isn't like this already, like, you know, a little bit straight, and you're just running past through it, I would highly suggest you go like by each how you say it? By each, like, what is it called? By each row, and make sure you guys just go step by step. Now the key that makes you have a, you know, flat looking like that silk press look is basically using the chase method. Now I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are like, duh, obviously that's what you have to do. But you'd be surprised how much people honestly don't know about the chase method. And the chase method is literally its name. You basically take the hair and you chase it. You chase the comb with the flat iron. When I tell you guys, this makes a huge difference. Now it'll look even like better when you go row by row, because when you do it by sections, it'll still be flat, but it wouldn't be the flattest, if that makes sense. It wouldn't be like to its capability. The flattest to its capability, is that a word or something? But yeah, that's literally all I do. Like, this is the key. Like, this is how these stylists get their overall look to their Silkpress look. So right now I'm just doing like quick passes, because like I said, this is basically already like flat, and my hair is very high quality, so it basically behaves. And let me show you guys how it looks. And literally, like, the hair will literally be flat. Like, so make sure you guys don't use any type of oils in your hair. Make sure you wash it previously and use the chase method. That's literally all you have to do. But that was just a quick little tutorial. If you weren't aware of how to get your hair to be this straight, if this video was any type of helpful, leave a like. Honestly, I can't even think, but leave a like, because my thing is about to die. But make sure you guys like this video if it was helpful. If you have a different type of serum that you use that does make your hair very straight besides the She and the BioSilk, let me know in the comments down below, so you could share with everybody, so everybody could know. And yeah, but if this video was helpful and you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. But don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.